What's the meaning of cornmeal? Cornmeal. Cornmeal.
Cornmeal. Cornmeal. Cornmeal is a type of meal made from ground corn. It can be fine, medium or coarse in texture, and is often used to make cornbread, as well as other baked goods such as pancakes, waffles, and muffins. It is also commonly used as a coating for fried foods such as fish and chicken. Cornmeal can have a distinct, slightly sweet flavor, and its color can range from pale yellow to deep gold. It is a staple ingredient in many traditional cuisines, particularly in Latin America and the southern United States.